Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JBL Rallybar, a Bluetooth bar for like a UTV or an ATV. Either the S, the XL, or the normal, it doesn't matter, it's all the same. And you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset pretty much for two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not connecting to your devices, it's not pairing with Bluetooth, it's not syncing with something, it's not responding. Anything like this can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is just any situation where you want to wipe all of the pairing history, delete the Bluetooth paired history off of it, so you can set it up basically like it's brand new. We can go ahead and do that. So if we're going to do this, we're also going to go into our phone or whatever and delete the pairing history off of our phone, because we're going to be setting this up like it's new once we're done. And then we're going to come in and we're just going to press and hold the volume up and the play buttons simultaneously for at least 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, that will cause this speaker to reset to its factory out-of-the-box defaults, at which point you can go ahead and set this up like a new speaker. So let me know if this worked for you. If it did, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.